So over here you can see that I have a video clip right here, and if I were to press the play button, then you can see that the video plays in a certain speed. And if you want to go around and change the speed of the video, then you can go around onto the right hand side right here and then go to speed option. So once you go around, you can see that the speed right now is 100%. And if you want to increase out the speed, you can go around and move the slider so that it's a bit faster right here. And then the video moves a bit faster. You can go around, increase this to 280%, let's say for example, and the video will be much more faster, as you can see, just like this. So you can also make it a bit more slower right here by decreasing the amount of percentage right here. And the video is much more slower, as you can see right there. So another thing that you can do is you can change the range of the speed over here as well, so that only certain parts are actually accelerated or deaccelerated. So I'm just going to go around and let's say make this part very fast right here, but it's only the selected part. And you can also click and drag around the part that you want to slow or speed up. So if I were to go around and press the play button, you can see that it is slow, then it is fast right here, just like this. So let me just really go around and increase up the speed right here. Press the play button, and there you go. There's the speed up right there. You can go around over here onto ramp right here, as you can see. So once you do that, what happens is that instead of abrupt change, it gradually goes around over here and then changes around the speed right here. So you can see that you can go around, gradually changes the speed right here, as you can see. So it ramps up the speed right there as well. You can go around and increase the ramp up amount over here as well, so that it slowly increases out the speed. So it slowly increases out the speed, as you can see right here, by using the ramp. You can also go around and maintain audio pitch over here as well if you want to. So if you have videos with audio and the audio is not, let's say, maintaining pitch, you also have that option over there while you're controlling the speed. And that is how you can work around with speed controls inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.